One of the things I like most about Caffeine and Octane events is you never know what vehicles you're gonna find here. We're in a boat car.
Hey guys, you got a ski rope?
See?
I mean, this is what I was gonna cover.
Brian, why don't you drive this and let me do the skiing?
This is awesome.
This is crazy. So tell us about the car.
About 3 years ago, my wife made a bet with me I couldn't build it. And I ended up using a 94 GMC Jimmy, and the boat is a 98 Sea Ray I got for free because it's sunk in Lake Lanier.
Wow.
It's wide, it's heavy, and nobody's in your way.
How much money you think you got in this thing?
10,000.
That's not bad.
Mm-hmm.
Really? You were able to build this for 10,000?
Mm-hmm.
You see that? So if you want a boat car to ride around, all you got to do is have $10,000 and come look this man up.